Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. My name is Rebecca. Welcome. Today we have a new video for y'all to show you what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. So we are located in the DFW area. Go to a bunch of different stores throughout the week, take lots of different pictures at all the stores, and then combine them into one video. So let's go shopping and see what's new. I've organized them by section. So we'll start with the apparel and accessories. They have more of the men's boxer briefs in these little boxes, which are nice for gift giving. Also fun for like a Secret Santa gift or a white elephant. This would be fun to wrap up. There's lots of really funny ones like the cup of noodles or the airheads. Then they have some that are in the style of like a Ziploc bag. There's like Bob Ross. They had some with pickles on it. Bunch of silly looking ones. They had some with hot peppers. There's Popeye and the Klondike bar. They also had some for women. These are called the hipsters. They go in sizes all the way from small to extra large. Same with the men's sizes. These have the full back coverage. Now, most of these hipster brand, I'll find these in boxes. Some of them were in the Ziploc style bags, but I've only seen that one time. Usually they're in these box sets. They're over by the Novelty socks is where I'm finding them. Speaking of the Novelty socks, they've got the different brands. Some new ones in this week. We've got the Jeopardy Future Champion and the Wheel of Fortune socks. Just a fun fact about me, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, my cousin actually won the Wheel of Fortune. So that's kind of funny. His name's Preston. But anyways, we've got these Smithsonian socks and the Tetris socks from 1984. Has the old-timey looking game board, which is kind of fun. And then for the new arts and crafts this week, we have these fun picture hangers that you can DIY. There are flowers, stars, hearts, and the two little houses. It's just the natural wood with the rope stapled to the back so that they hang vertically. It's got the photo little picture slot in the back, easy to install. They got their chalkboards all back in. They have the easel kind and the ones on the little stands that you can DIY. Those hotel keychains, which are so popular, they've got the pastel colors back in, the pack of solid black or the primary colors, and you get 4 of those for $1.25. They had a bunch of this cream coat and crafters deco art acrylic paint. There's a whole bunch of different kinds out right now. They've got the glitter, the glow in the dark, some metallic paint. They even had some indoor and outdoor paint, a couple different colors of the neon, and just lots of different bottles of these paints. So these are about 2 fluid ounces each. They have the Crafter Square paint brushes in the 8-piece set, which I always like these ones because they have those little detail brushes, which are always great for when you need to do detail work. Then for the baby, toddler, children section, really not a lot new. They have a bunch of little books and sticker books that the kids can do, lots of activity style books. The puzzle books are really fun with the stickers. It teaches number recognition. Also has, a hand-eye coordination with putting the pieces in the puzzle spots. They have some counting number books by Barbie. And then they had these double-sided learning boards by Play School. You get over 120 repositional stickers. So kind of think of like the color forms that you can, like a window cling style sticker, so they'll stick and you can reposition them. They also have some dry erase board spots so the kids can use the dry erase markers for lettering and numbering. So they have a math set and the ABC set. All of those come with a bunch of different stickers, and like I said, they're double-sided, and these are hanging over by a lot of the teaching tree items. For the health and beauty section, we'll check out what's new first in the cosmetics. So I found these large box sets of the Ioni Veil of Allure Beauty Bar. They have a whole bunch of different products like this Aqua Pop water-based nail polish. They have a really light pink with glitter. There's also the solid black. Then they had the blue with some shimmer. Also the gold. It also had some shimmer. It wasn't really glitter. It was more of like a shimmer. Then we've had the solid red. They had some of the nail gemstones, lots of different colors. They have the smooth glide high impact color shadow sticks in a couple different colors. There was like a really dark green, a dark purple. They had some dark blue. And then the black, there's also this one called Spritz. It's an eyeshadow primer for long-lasting eyeshadow. This one here was called Daiquiri, which is a lip oil. It has sweet almond oil in it, some vitamin E. They also had this color. This is called Spiced Nude. It's a full matte lipstick. The Warm Toffee, that's also a matte lipstick. And they had one called Plum Rose. It's kind of hard to see the actual lipstick in the pictures. You can't really get a really good picture of them just the way they're positioned. There's also another one called Chocolate Martini. That one is a liquid lipstick. And then they had the Bloody Mary, which is a dark deep red. And those were more of like a lip with the wand that you can put on. They had some plumping gloss sticks and the Face and Body Illuminator. It has a shimmer finish, some energizing glow mist, which was a spray for a dewy finish, and the natural finish creamy mango butter swipe and go. These are blush sticks. They had two of those. One was called cherry. And I found more of the Cosmic Colors nail polish. These all have like that mirrored looking effect. I try to take pictures of all the different ones that you can find. So you put them in order kind of by the rainbow. And the last one here is the gold. I'm kind of disappointed without a top coat. They're really not that shiny once they dry. The hair care and hair accessories, they have more of the Sophie brand. You get 3 pieces of the hair clips. They had the blue and the pink. And then we found these hair clips. It's a large bow with the gold on it. They had those with the gold and black. This is the clip on the back. It's like that alligator style clip. This is like a dark burgundy with the gold, and they had matching headbands to coordinate with the bows. I also found this really pretty silver shimmer bow, which has the same kind of clip on the back. Also, this large bow claw clip was so cute. I only found it in pink. And then they've got all these fashion cushion hairbrushes, or like the little miniature hairbrushes you can bring with you. They're on these like different pastel colors, like a really pretty peach and orange. They had the yellow with the light green, some really pale blue with the light pink. There were some purple ones, but they just had a ton of those. For the pharmacy and personal care section, they had these exfoliating stretch cloths by the Be Pure brand. They had them in 2 different colors. Some of the Barbie Villains and Stitch body scrub. So this is the strawberry scented. It's the Barbie. The other 2 are grape scented. They're 2-ounce bottles. They had more of the spa luxury bubble bath. There's the rose champagne, vanilla ambiance, and the sparkling berry. They also had the body wash to go with the bubble bath. This is the foaming hand soap in cashmere and vanilla bean. And then they had some drink inspired body scrubs. This one is the sparkling white sangria. And they also had the pink sugar martini. It says it's a glowing body scrub. They have these extra large cosmetic bags, which they had out last year. These are a really great cosmetic bag. They're nice and large. You can put lots of items in those. Then for the fun finds this week, look at these cute little lip balms. They're called wacky balms. There's strawberry, grape, and there's blue raspberry, green apple, a mint scent, and orange. They had the wild cherry Pepsi lip balm and the Sour Patch Kids blue raspberry lip gloss. They also had the watermelon and the Sour Patch Kids, and this is the frosted wild berry flavored Pop Tart lip balm. Also, I found these silicone straw covers. You get 4 of them in the bag. They had the sports inspired theme with a video game controller. And then this one has like smiley faces, some flowers, a little cowgirl hat, and a daisy. So you get 4 of those in that pack. And then these little light bulb lollipops are so cute. They're like Christmas light bulbs. For the home decor this week, really not a whole lot new. They did have some new framed art. This one says Garden Delight. May the flowers remind us that rain is necessary. Listen with your ears and your eyes wide open. Believe in yourself, and change is inevitable. Growth is optional. So some inspirational sayings. They also had these really fun little pictures with the cardinals. This house says love with the beads and a little tassel at the bottom. There's actually a couple different ones. They have some heart-shaped ones and some that are shaped like little houses. They each have the coordinating beads that go down across the bottom there in different shapes. And then you've got your tassel as well. So there's 2 heart shapes and 2 of the house shapes at the top with the cardinal. And for the home library, office supplies, teaching tree section, they had these back to the 90s advanced coloring books, which were kind of fun to look through. The butterfly bliss, they had the happy campers. These are all the de-stressor unwind coloring books. They had some cats, the Under the Sea adult coloring books, also doodles and dogs. This one was called the Mystical Creatures Advanced Coloring Book. Then we've got the Odyssey Underwater, the Kaleidoscope Craze, and then the beautiful blooms, which had a whole bunch of pretty flowers in it. I think my favorite book of all was The Seasons in Color. They had them organized by all the different seasons. You had the summer and the spring. You've got all your vegetables. This one says summer. It has some fun little like flip-flops and things. The winter with the hot cocoa and like cookies. So I thought that was kind of fun. The Jot poster boards in the 3-pack. They're 11 by 14. Has the rainbow border with the glitter. And then they had a whole bunch of their desk and top and desk organizing sets for the drawers and the tabletop. For the housewares, automotive, electronics, maintenance kind of storage section, kind of all Mod Podge together there. They've got the Sugar Plum Breeze scented candles, so that lasts up to 24 hours. Those are the Wizards air fresheners. Then we've got the Mixed Berry car air freshener. It looks like a butterfly, or the Ocean Breeze butterfly. They also had more of the put a lid on it spray for the bathroom. They had those in a couple different scents for the $1.25. And I found some more boxes of these extra large tubs of the wipes, which I always love to find. For the kitchen and pantry section, they have a bunch of these floor mats. This one says season everything with love. They had a whole bunch of them, so I'll just show you guys a couple. We've got the reusable coffee cups. These are the travel ones. You get those in a 3-pack. They have some new colors and new sayings on them, like the light tan. They have the sage green, the dark navy blue, and the spiced orange. Also, these perforated plastic wrap sheets. You get 110 square feet, and they're 15 by 12 inch perforated sheets already ready to tear. And then a bunch of different cookie mix, which is perfect for getting started with your holiday baking. They have the Abigail's brand kitchen. There's the shortbread mix. They had snickerdoodle and sugar cookie. We had some funfetti elf on the shelf cookies. They had the gingerbread cookie mix by Pillsbury and the elf on the shelf chocolate hot cocoa mix cookies. So they had a bunch of those out. There were some chocolate chip and other ones available as well. Then for the party supplies, probably my favorite find this week has been these platters. They're all white with the silver beaded trim that's attached. It's a solid plastic piece. It's not like a bead that they glued on, which is really nice. They also have the serving bowls with the beads along the outside edge. And look how cute these coordinating hors d'oeuvre spoons and forks are. So you only get 18. Usually you get 24 in a pack, but since these are the special ones with the beads, you get 18. They have the same mirrored bowls and platters to match. Also some little shot glasses. You'll get 20 of those in the in the silver mirrored look. And these are all going to be $2 each. Anything that is the catering section is now $2. They had some champagne flutes. Usually they have these in gold. First time I've seen these in silver, so they're clear on the top. But they did have these little gold bowls, which are absolutely adorable. I think these were so pretty. They also have that mirrored finish. They had some little champagne glasses in a 4-pack with the gold, which is kind of a rare thing to see at Dollar Tree. A lot of times they just carry the silver, so it's nice to see when they put some of the gold items out. They also had these green bowls, so you could set your tables out and your little snacks for the holiday season. They had the small bowls in red, and those are in a 12-count piece. And again, all the catering items are going to be $2 each. For the seasonal items, we've got these gift box bags. So it looks like a bag, but it's actually a box. That's the little handle. They're nested here, so there's actually 4 different sizes, as you can see. And they have a couple different designs on the front, like the Merry Christmas, Deck the Halls with the poinsettias. Some of them do have some glitter on them. All the handles are different color satin ribbons to coordinate with the boxed bag. They had the special delivery from the North Pole and the reusable gift sacks, which come in a 2-pack. So these are like the medium size. They do have some larger ones as well. Then they've got these really special boxes that you just get the one for the $1.50, but they're the real sturdy, thick boxes with the nice coordinating lids. The whole inside is wrapped, so it's not plain on the inside, so they're really decked out. And they are going to be $1.50 each. They have them in a bunch of different sizes. So if you need a bigger one, you kind of get more bang for your buck if you get the bigger sizes. Then we've got a bunch of the little tins that you can put gift cards in. There's a bunch of those. A lot of those will be on those plastic strips. However, The real small ones, those are pretty much sold out, at least around here. They have the cardboard style mailboxes in. They've only had the metal ones around here up until now. So they've got the cardboard ones in now, which is nice because those are a lot bigger than the ones that they carry in the metal. These are just some more of the specialty gift boxes. It's the smaller sizes up near the top shelf. These are some more of the mailboxes. And then these will be the metal or the little tin gift card holders. There's like Happy Holidays. Here's a view from the side so you can see how thick they are. And these are great because you could always reuse them. We always gather up all of our gift tins like this and save them for next year. I love the gift boxes that are so pretty. You could actually frame these and make these into a very simple wall decor piece. Look how cute these little tongs are with the Christmas trees on the end. These are over by the kitchen towels and hot pad holders. They have some more of the little ornaments out for the miniature trees, like these gnomes with the buffalo plaid. And then they had some of their kitchen items. I've seen all of this decor with that plaid, but I've yet to see this towel, which is why I'm showing it. And then they had their tapestry placemats in. They had a couple different designs. And then I wanted to show you guys, if you guys pick up these placemats here, be careful because some of them have like more of a tan background or like a tea wash, and the rest of them are in like a brighter white. So they do come in two different shades, so just be mindful of that. Then for the $3 and up section, we have these gorgeous glass candles for $3. They also have the twist sunshades in for $5. And for $9, you can get the full-sized game Candyland. It's the full-size box version. They also had the full-size regular classic size Monopoly game. That's going to be $10 if you get the large full size. If you get the grab and go, those are going to be $5. They also had the Battleship grab and go, or you can get the Hungry Hungry Hippo. And then there's this fun box set that they have out that has 100 different classic game collection. Inside it says it's for 1 to 8 players. They had the Rubik's Cube, official Rubik's Cubes. Those are $10 each. These wireless LED karaoke microphones. The dryer brush for $10 by Be Glam. And these first aid kits are going to be $5 each. There's 29 pieces in there. Look how cute these Christmas tumblers are. They've got the light green with the Christmas trees. The red has like a Christmas sweater print on the side. And the light blue has the snowflakes. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all so very, very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed today's video, and leave a comment down below. We'll post another video like this on Saturday. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Have a great time, and I'll see you next time on Saturday. Don't forget, so you don't miss what's new at the Dollar Tree.